Okay there guys, long time no see from me. This is Ben here. Obviously we talked about the Age of Tyrants Kickstarter, and good news, we have lots of awesome Age of Tyrants stuff. Unfortunately my phone doesn't really take very good quality of it, but I ordered a huge great deal. Here are my red hammers that I was super duper excited about. Somewhere in here you can't really make them out. They're the larger things there. Those are my claw teams. These are all the bases that come with them, obviously, because you need to mark out bases. This is one of my... oh, now I'm drawing a total blank on this. Icon, I think that is. Steve will correct me later in the comments if I'm wrong. We got Archangels here. That's awesome. No, this is one of my icons. Sorry. So I have no idea what that is. Those are my Archangels. These here will be my Black Legion. We got suppressors there. They're looking awesome. Casualties there. Those are really cool. Saw some Vipers in here earlier. Where'd my Vipers go? More claw teams. Vipers here. Some my Viper bikes there. Come on, camera, please focus. No, it's refusing to focus. Sorry, guys. What else have we got? Got more stuff, more vehicles. Got bears here. Got that's my vehicles. I started on my command vehicle before I remembered I should probably let you guys know what's going on. So yeah, I haven't really looked through yet, guys. I got it and kind of got excited and got into it. Here's all my tokens and stuff and my rules and all that kind of jazz. Here's more icons. My question is, where are my aircraft? Let's see if we can find my aircraft quickly. Let's just pull everything out of the way, guys. No. There we go. So let's just quickly pull one of these out of the bag so we can get a better look at it. There it is. So that's pretty cool. As you can see, that comes with a stand and a rod for that. So that's pretty awesome. So there's the rod there, guys. There's the base there. So yeah, that is my... these will be my fighters, and I don't believe I ordered any of the bombers on this occasion, but I might do in future, who knows. So yeah, this is Age of Tyrants, guys. I'm super happy. I saw shinies. I got home from a weekend away with family and I saw all these shinies, and the box did not stay closed for long. So yeah, guys, I will try and give you a better look at it all once I've assembled it, but that is my Age of Tyrants stuff for the time being. So cheers, guys. Sorry it's been so long, and I'll see you at some stage in the future.